Hey guys, what's up? Today we've got the Kemimoto center bag for the RZR 800, 900, 1000 XP, S, you name it, this thing will fit in there. It just has these simple straps here, adjustable, with a nice little clip that will clip onto the plastic, which we'll show you as we do the install later. So starting off here, we've got this front pocket, lots of room in there, like I can fit pretty well my whole hand in there. And then we've got this little pouch on the front. This would be awesome for the phone, the keys, whatever, maybe if you're not gonna go with door bags. This will be a perfect option. And then this expands quite far, as you can see. So you can fit quite a bit of gear in here as well. Really, maybe some snacks and stuff you want to keep inside the cab. And then it's also got a separate zipper pouch that's mesh on the inside. There we go, a little bit of light. You can see the zipper pouch in there. You can zip that up. There's a zipper in there and quite a bit of room, as you can see. Good quality zippers, waterproof, you can see on the edges there. Good color scheme. I like the black on the gray. Very simple. On the bottom here, we've got the two clips as well, which we'll install in the machine. We're going to go to the install. We're going to do it on Cade's 900S machine. So here we go. So we've got the two seats taken out of the machine and we're about to install the bag. So we're just going to come on inside here and you just basically put these underneath the plastic, rotate, and they clip right on there. And then you want to keep some tension on her and get these he's got a stereo installed on here, so it's kind of tough, but it's showing that it will work with the power base stereo. And then these you just snake her up and over like so, and then you're going to want to run them back down here and do the same way, clip like that. Same with the other side, come up here, snake this through. It'll be a lot easier if you don't have a stereo in the back window, but it will also work if you do. So this is a good way of showing you. Just gotta kind of take a little bit of adjustment there, and then put this one on here again, and then you're gonna want to center it out. Make sure it's all centered, and then you're gonna pull these tight and straighten everything out. Takes a little bit of straightening out, and pull it tight like that. Give her an adjustment, and there you go. You can tuck these behind here nicely, and that actually looks really clean. I'm really impressed with that product. So yeah, you've got tons of storage right between your two passengers, and you'll be able to store lots in there. Super easy to get into, easy to close, easy to open up. Sorry about the lighting in this video. We've got a full cab on the machine and everything, so it's kind of tough, but this is basically your bag. Fits with the power base, stereo, or pretty well, I'm guessing any soundbar you have on the back. Worst case, you're gonna have to lift it up and then run the straps through and then down. But yeah, fits really well. Great product, very good quality, good mesh. And this is nice too, because you're not going to see a lot of wear in here, but this is built just as strong as the door bags, which see a little bit more wear and tear, which you can actually see he's got on in the corner there. He has the Kemimoto door bags, they're matching. They look great together, good combo. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.